Warren Buffett doesn't just bet on stocks, he bets on America. In 2009, Berkshire Hathaway spent $44 million to acquire the BNSF Railway, the largest freight railroad in North America. The acquisition gave Berkshire a steady cash flow from the transportation of goods across the U.S. and made Buffett's company a key player in logistics. Today, BNSF is a vital part of the U.S. economy, responsible for moving everything from coal to agricultural products, with Berkshire seeing massive returns on this long-term investment.